Hello everyone. So how to install Ibotta cashback app? So here is the app. You can find it by this name in App Store. It's 110 megabytes. And if you join Ibotta today and create an account, you can get $20 welcome bonus. So just tap on the get and then just confirm with your Touch ID or Face ID or whatever you use, maybe just password. And there are some like promo actions for Thanksgiving or probably for every major holiday. There will be some cashback promotions. So this app is like pretty popular. It has 1 million ratings and 4.8 average reviews. So that's kind of pretty cool. But unfortunately, it's only available, I guess, in United States. So I won't be helping you anymore here on this stage. But anyways, hope it was helpful.